Hi everyone, finally OID is over. I was super excited about this anime from the moment its teaser came out in December. Now the official trailer is here. And we saw some incredible mind-blowing multiversal moments. And now as the concept of multiverse is being presented in ongoing Loki series, it was the best time to release this anime. This anime is completely based on different dimensions and different reality which continues parallelly. So without any further ado, let's talk about the trailer then. Firstly, in the trailer we saw Tony Stark from another reality. It seems like he's pretty popular. He got saved by Killmonger, and Killmonger is dressed up like a Navy SEAL. That means he didn't leave the US Navy yet. Then we saw Doctor Strange properly using his magic, got sucked by a time warp. Here mainly the different realities are shown. Name of the show What If suits it very well. Like what if Peggy Carter is Captain America or what if Killmonger is a good person. After that we saw the Avengers team and the Guardians. Here Gamora has the weapon which Thanos used in our timeline. Then we saw T'Challa. In the teaser we already had a glimpse of T'Challa being the Star-Lord. In this universe he want to kidnap child T'Challa instead of Chris Pratt. And here it felt like the relationship between Yondu and Star-Lord is more like father and son than our universe. Also in this universe, Natasha Romanoff, Black Widow, seemed attached to Hulk. Although I am continuously saying our universe, their universe, but all these realities are unique on their own. The executive producer of this series, Victoria, also said that this series is the opportunity to introduce diversity in MCU. She also said that they are taking the advantage of more than 6,000 characters in Marvel Studios had access to. Though I am not into Marvel comics, but seriously, Marvel comics have 6,000 characters? I have no idea. Then we saw a Loki brother. I guarantee that you can check 1,000 realities, but in every reality Loki will be the same, the god of mischief. Here we see that Loki with his Asgardian army maybe is trying to attack the Earth. Nick Fury is standing in front of him. You can also see that Captain Carter got pretty good screen time in the trailer. In this universe, Super Soldier Serum is tested on Peggy Carter instead of Steve Rogers. She is also seen riding on War Machine. And all these different universe and realities are observed by the watcher. We basically don't have any idea who is this. He is watching everything but cannot and will not interfere. We also got a fleeting glimpse of Spider-Man, father of Star-Lord, Ego, Drax, Wanda and Cylon. The most interesting part of the series will be the zombie one, where Iron Man, Captain America are zombies. Official also said that they thought of bringing the part where Jane Foster becoming Thor. But this idea was abandoned because of upcoming movie The Thor Love and Thunder. Maybe Foster becoming Thor will be the concept of this movie. I am super excited for this anime. As it will be released in anime version, we will see some great creativity in the form of action and all. Although they said that voiceover of those characters will be done by the real cast like Robert Downey Jr. or Chris Evans. But it seems like Iron Man, Captain America, Doctor Strange and Captain Marvel are voiced by different actors. I don't get it, Disney. What are you saving so much money for? So that's for today's video guys. If you love this, hit a like and a sub would be great. Thanks for watching.
I don't like the flavor, I don't like the taste.